Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get WhatsApp group link. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open or launch your WhatsApp application. Make sure that this one is up to date. Let me show you my specific group that I want to get a link. So let me go back to the conversation and look for the specific group. Since our tutorial is how to get that WhatsApp group link, just locate that specific group, for example, this one right here. And then once you found that group that you've been looking for example, this one, you have to click the name of that group above. As you can see, there is this two-person icon right here, and then the group's name. So all you have to do is to click that one. Once you tap the name of the group, what you're going to do is you just have to simply scroll down till you see that invite link. Okay, so invite by a link to be exact. So when you tap this one, you have options in how to use or how to share this link. So once you get this link above, this is the link that you can share. You can also send link via WhatsApp and send this to anyone on your WhatsApp list, copy link, and then share this to a specific website or social media platform. Share link, you can share this to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, and other social media platforms. And then also, you can share this through QR code. So, this is the QR code right here. And then you can reset link. So, basically, this is how you get the WhatsApp group link. You just have to locate the group chat or the group and then scroll down, look for invite via link to get the WhatsApp group link. So I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.